Hello, this is MWM Academy and welcome back to class. Have you ever uploaded a YouTube video and wonder why people aren't clicking? Your thumbnail could be the problem. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail using AI and free tools, even if you are not a graphic designer. I created this thumbnail on your screen with AI. Before anything or before you start prompting your AI, go and get inspiration. So you can get it maybe from Pinterest or from YouTube. Let me show you how. Now you go to YouTube. If you want to use YouTube, you go to YouTube and search. Then click on that search icon and you now type. Let's assume you want to create for an AI video tutorial. Just type AI video tutorial. If you should type AI video tutorial, it's going to like give you different video for AI tutorials, for AI video tutorials. So you now screenshot it. Let me show you. Now I've typed AI video tutorial, so let's wait for the results. So all I have to do is to just send it and wait for the result. So let's zoom in so you can see I've zoomed it. You can see this is AI video. You can see, in fact, this particular video, this particular thumbnail is okay and is created using AI, but it's catchy enough. That is what we want. A eye-catching one. Can you see? This is another one, and you can see that they are having a very good views. Yes, their views are okay, and you have to check that. So it's very, very important to check their views. And so now after we've done that, we can now go to Pinterest. Tap on that search icon. Then up there you can now type what you want, YouTube thumbnail design idea. So you can now start scrolling and look for the one that you think is fine, that you feel like it's okay, that you think that is eye-catchy enough, and you now download it. So to download it, click on that three dots and then click on download image, and it's going to download to your phone. So now all we have to do now is now go to our AI and use the picture that we download as inspo. So then we are going to like tell it not to copy it and just like use it as inspo. Now let's go and do that. We are not using the two. I just use the two as an example. We can either use the one that you can use that one from YouTube, or the other one which is from Pinterest. For this class we are using this one from Pinterest. So I will now go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT about my video, the video topic, the visual subjects, the color that I want it to use and design my thumbnail, the lightning and the quality. Make sure you're using high quality ultra HD, so you understand. I now ask her to use that one and as inspo. So I intentionally tell her not to copy it, because I don't want to copy and paste. I want you to like design it. You can even tell her to like design like a graphic designer. Don't design like an AI. Sure you get. So you're going to get a good result adding that prompt. Sure you get. So let's wait and see what ChatGPT is going to create for us. You have to know that sometimes you can see this thing. I did not like it because it's repeating the icon twice, like the Pinterest icon and the ChatGPT icon. You can see that it is repeating them twice, and I did not like that. So I have to like go again and prompt ChatGPT that I don't want that too. I don't want the two icon. I don't want it to repeat it twice, and I want it to remove that one beside the lady. Now let's go. And I've been using the person that is wearing I have a picture that I always use for all my pictures, for all my thumbnail. So I can give it to it and I can just describe it, because it's also an AI, it's not a real person. So I can just describe it. So now sometimes I import the picture and say use this picture, and sometimes I will just be like, let me just design it, since the person is not a real person, it's also an AI. So let me just tell ChatGPT like add the person. The lady should be wearing a white t-shirt, white shirt, and and white and navy blue hijab, because that's how I always put it. And then it should remove the thumbnail, and then it should remove the icon, and let's see the result. You can see now I've sent it, and ChatGPT is now like generating our thumbnail for us. Let's see how it will look, because one thing is you don't have to get tired or be like, oh, it's already stressing me out. And because I used to design my this thing, my thumbnail, I used to go and design it on Canva, and it takes time. So you can see here is it. But you can see that there is another thing I didn't like about it, because I asked it to remove just the one beside the girl, and now it's removing the one down, like the one at the bottom too. You can see, so you don't get tired. You still go and that's just it. When you are prompting AI and AI is not giving you what you, keep explaining to it, keep telling AI what you want, and you are going to, until you get the good result. That's just it. I just asked ChatGPT to like return it. So I returned those the one at the bottom. That is only that one that I asked it to like remove, the only one beside it. So I asked it to like remove the one that's, so I send it again, and now let's wait and see the result. So our thumbnail is here. So you can see that it has returned it. The Pinterest icon is there now, and the ChatGPT icon. So I'll be using this because all I want is already there. All I need to just to go and download it, and I will now go and upload it. This is what I'll be using because I like it already, and it's giving me everything that I want, and that's it. If you have something else, like maybe you can give like up to 2 thumbnail, you can give the one you get from Pinterest, you can give the one that you get from YouTube. The two, you can just give it and ask it to like remove here, like you should just look some design from the other one, like two designs. So it's just use the two as inspo, and that's it. It's going to give you something else, like it's still going to give you good results. What you just need to do is like give it everything it wants. Let ChatGPT know what the content of the content of the video so you get. So, and that's it. And if you have not subscribed, make sure you do subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.